Hey guys, we have a special unboxing video today. Yes, for Hudson. Our channel supporter Margaret Hummer sent us this, and from Chewy. Hudson doesn't know what it is. It's a complete surprise. There's actually more than one box, but we didn't want to overwhelm Hudson, so we're going to start with box 1 today. So let's get it open. There's a lot of tape. Okay, hold on, Hudson. This is for you. Ready? Okay, here we go. Treats for Hudson. Oh, you're drooling. Oh, what is this? Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. There's 2 toys in here. I gotta open this for Hudson. Oh my God. She knows Hudson loves hamburgers.
That's a big one.
This is the biggest hamburger ever.
Oh, Margaret, nice job.
It's a cheeseburger because it has cheese too. Lettuce, very healthy. Ketchup, and it crinkles. Do you hear that crinkle noise? What do you think? Oh, you like it? Oh yeah, he's grabbing it. He's grabbing it. Okay, can you contain yourself? Let's get this out of the way. The box.
Oh,
hold on.
Look at that.
Wubbas are one of Hudson's favorite toys. Oh, this is going to take some. This is going to be a challenge.
You gotta
Okay.
snip it, huh?
Yeah, I might have to get some scissors, but maybe I can kind of sneak it out of there. No, they got it in there tight. Ugh. Ah.
Yeah, just gotta.
Rawr. Okay, wait.
Here, I'll go in on Hudson.
Wait. Let me get a snipper. Okay. Kong Wubba. Fun.
Oh, Margaret, that's fantastic.
Interactive toy.
Great job, Margaret.
So as much as he loves the hamburger, and trust me, he loves the hamburger. We love the hamburger. Wubbas are one of his favorite toys because he loves balls and he loves things that squeak. Does this squeak too? Oh, wait. The hamburger squeaks? I didn't even know that. But the Wubba. Okay, so what do you think? Would you like to play? You want to play with your Wubba? You want to go down the hall? This is what we do, guys. We live in a small apartment. We go down the hall. So let's go. All right, make sure no neighbors are coming down. All right, ready? Okay, I got to give it a good throw. James is better at throwing. Maybe I'll give it to James. Oh, I'll try. Ah, that was a crappy throw. Got it.
Here.
You ready?
Look at this thing. Oh, Margaret, this is great.
A hippo. It's a little hippo. You ready for Wubbs? Oh, James gave the great toss. Top speed. One more time. All right, I didn't get as far. Oh, it's got a little rug burn. That happens sometimes, but it's worth it.
That was great.
Thank you, Margaret. Hudson
Margaret,
loves it. All right, we want to catch it? Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Thanks, Margaret. Beautiful.
Thank you so much. Extra good.